So, good evening, ma'am. I'm Kelvin Giocampo. I'm a student of BSHM, and so I can discuss the supply chain management from now. So, let's get started. So, the supply chain management, or SCM, it is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw materials into the final product. So, supply chain management, um, if you are going to sell your product, you will going to make your process by process or step by step how you make you deliver your product to your customers beautifully and gently, and it involves the active streamlining of a business supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantages in the marketplace. So if your product that you sell to your customers and it is like, so you are going to motivate them to buy your product also, and um, to make uh, another customers, and it will be multiplied or divided them to make your own products likes, and um how you will how you will to do that. If it is like, of course you are going to make another, or you will uh, make many many more products that you sell to your customers. And supply chain management represents an effort by suppliers to develop and implement supply chains that are as efficient and economical as possible. So, the suppliers' efforts, it is the way to make a product going to do, and how will be selling to the customers with his own information, how to sell the product itself to their customers. And it is effortless because um, the supplier is the how you will be communicate to his customers, likes her product beautifully and with information, and it is also good to use by the customers. And supply chains cover everything from production to product development to the information system needed to direct this undertaking. Just like I said, uh, you will be going to inform or give communicating to your customer how will you sell your product beautifully, and um, if it is good to use, and you can uh, going to say that your own product will be good to use to your customers based on their satisfaction. And that's all for today. Thank you po, ma'am.